Hi everyone, my name is Sanskriti and you all are welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing a really very simple makeup routine that I follow. So basically ये जो makeup routine होने वाला है ये personally मुझे बहुत पसंद है because it is very simple and ये routine beginners जो अभी makeup use करना start कर रहे हैं वो बहुत easily use कर सकते हैं, बहुत easily ये look create कर सकते हैं and also this is like can be used on a daily basis as well. बहुत ज़्यादा like केकी लुक नहीं है जिसमें मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा फाउंडेशन और सब कुछ यूज़ किया, तो थोड़ा सा सिंपल लुक है बट येट थोड़ा सा ग्लैम अप लुक है. एंड ऑल्सो all the products that I'll be using are from My Glam, so I'll link all the products down in the description. Don't forget to check that out. So now without any more talking, let's just quickly start the video. So guys, I'm done with my skin prep, but I should remind you all कि आपके स्किन को मॉइस्चराइज करना बिफोर मेकअप इज़ रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड ऑल्सो नेवर फॉरगेट टू मॉइस्चराइज योर लिप्स एंड टू हाइड्रेट योर लिप्स एज वेल. ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड आई पर्सनली हैव अ वेरी ड्राई स्किन टाइप, so I tend to use a lot of products for prepping up my skin for the makeup, and ये चीज़ मैं हमेशा करती हूँ, be it my day to day makeup look like my go to makeup look or even the very party or occasion वाला look. मैं हर एक look के पहले एक बहुत ही intense skin care करती हूँ so that my skin gets prepped up for my makeup. And also if you guys want a skincare routine or maybe my skin prep routine, then you guys can comment. I would be very pleased to create it for you guys. So now let's move on to the base makeup. So the next product that I'll be using is from My Glam. It is their My Glam BB foundation stick. And in a day-to-day look, I usually prefer using a BB cream or maybe a BB foundation stick like this one because this is very light on your skin and it feels very natural. And on a day-to-day basis, you do not prefer like using something very cakey like foundation or something like that. And if it is like if I'm going to a very casual party or a casual day out with my friends, so I just simply apply a concealer with this.
So I wanted to talk and put my makeup, but it was a major failed attempt. Anyways, let's get back to this look. Always use the Damn Beauty blender to blend in your foundation or even your concealer. And you just need to simply dab करके beauty blender से अच्छे से foundation को blend कर लेना होता है. Also, you can use a brush if you would like to use it and you are good at using a brush to blend in your foundation. And I've also used this foundation itself to conceal my under eyes and also a little bit on my eyelids.
Next up, I'll be using this Fixing Plus Shimmer Powder from My Glam just to fix my base makeup that I've done till now. So they also have this inside of the product, but I'm just gonna be using it with a brush. I feel it's rather more comfortable and it requires quite less time. Next up, I'm gonna be using this My Glam Peach Blush. ये एक डे टू डे लुक है एंड देयरफॉर बहुत ही सटल लुक मैं रखना चाहती हूँ डे टू डे में. एंड नोबडी प्रेफर्स कैरिंग अ वेरी ऐसा लुक जो कि बहुत जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट्स यूज होते हैं. यू कैन सिंपली यूज योर ब्लश. आई एम यूजिंग द पीच ब्लश फ्रॉम माई ग्लैम दिस टाइम. सो you can simply use it on your like the crease and the overall lid, and you can actually concentrate the product on the outer corners. This is the most easiest thing to do. जो भी blush आप use करो, be it pink, peach or any other color, you can simply apply it on your eyelid. And if you are like going on a casual day out and you still want to rock that look, you can simply use something like a highlighter, or maybe if you have any glittery kind of a shade, you can simply use that. After the peach blush, I'm gonna be using this highlighter that is from My Glam as well. So इसको मैं अपने हैंड से ही लूँगी. I'll just rub it and आईज के इनर कॉर्नर पे मैं सिंपली इसको अप्लाई कर लूँगी. इंस्टेंटली आईज है बहुत ब्राइटन अप लगने लगती है. So this is how my eyes look at the moment. Next up, I'm gonna be using this My Glam Kajal eyeliner pencil. So I'm just gonna be using it on my upper waterline.
Most of the times मैं upper waterline पे काजल यूज़ करती हूँ because it actually accentuates your eyes and makes it look fuller and bigger. Next up, eyes के outer corner पे same काजल यूज़ करके छोटे छोटे strokes देने हैं so that you can create a wing. Also, you can apply a sticky tape if you want to get a perfect wing. By the way, wing को बहुत ज़्यादा extend नहीं करना है. Here comes the main part, that is smudge. जो आपने wing छोटा सा बनाया था उसको smudge करना है to create a extension of the same wing. And also lower waterline से भी थोड़ा सा extension create करना है so that it looks good. As you can see, मैंने बहुत कम काजल अप्लाई किया था and therefore ये बहुत smokier वाला look नहीं लग रहा है. It's just that कि जो आपका eyeliner है, I can say कि it is giving a smoky eyeliner वाला effect and not a smoky eye effect. So yeah, keep that in mind. Use small amount of like a little amount of kajal. This is how the eye makeup turned out to look. I absolutely love it.
So the next part is my absolute favorite. You guys might know that I love applying blushes, and next up is this blush from My Glam. ये blush मैं यूज़ करने वाली हूँ and it is in a very pretty peach shade. और especially day to day look के लिए peach color बहुत perfect है. And मैं usually काफ़ी ज़्यादा यूज़ करती हूँ. इसकी pigmentation is too good. I've used it a couple of times and the pigmentation of it is like really good. And also not just on the cheeks, मैं सिर्फ cheeks पे ना लगा के इसको थोड़ा सा like on my nose, and also जो excess part होता है उसको I even tend to apply it here and here. I know I look crazy doing this, but I love blushes. So yeah, I overdo this. Even on a daily routine, I overdo the blush thing. Next up is a highlighter. I absolutely love applying highlighter all the time. All the products that I'm using is from My Glam, and My Glam के products में मेरे पास like यही shade available था. There is a golden one. I don't usually apply golden highlighter for a daily basis, but because I wanted to use only My Glam products, therefore I thought कि मैं ये use कर लेती हूँ अभी. But yeah, if you are looking for like a different shade या आपको different shade apply करना हो तो you can definitely go for it.
The lipstick is My Glam Lit in the shade Boo, and I think किसी भी लुक का सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट होता है लिपस्टिक. आई फील बिना लिपस्टिक के कोई भी लुक कंप्लीट नहीं होता है. एंड देयरफॉर ऑलवेज मेक श्योर कि आपका लिपस्टिक जो है वो आपके ओवरऑल लुक, आपकी आईलाइनर, आपकी ड्रेस सबके साथ मैच करे एंड इट लुक्स गुड. You can even outline the lips before applying the lipstick, but for me it works like this, and therefore I directly applied the lipstick. So this is the final look, and I'm so glad that this look turned out to be so good.
So guys, this was it for today's video, and if you guys are new here, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And also, if you have any specific content idea, or you want me to create any specific content, you can comment it down and I will definitely be replying to you guys within a day. And also, I'll be pleased to create videos for you guys, the videos that you actually want. So yeah, bye bye until next time.